Welcome to watch today's fresh home. The studio of an artist couple in Paris, 80 square meters of Brutalist Inspiration. In the heart of the 10th arrondissement, in a typical 1970s building, interior designer Marie Bonnard has designed a renovation that combines period references and sharp designer pieces. The apartment had never been renovated since it was built: carpet, wallpaper, partitions. Everything was still as it was, says Marie Bonnard. During the first visit, the interior designer and the owners discovered, behind old floral wallpaper, treasures from the past, a beautiful concrete structure and perfectly preserved mahogany cupboards. The structure was absolutely magnificent. We immediately said to ourselves that we had to reuse these facades. Originally, the apartment's plan was very partitioned, but offered great possibilities. We quickly imagined an open space, a 70s setting.